I'm gonna be real. Hair about dusty, braids about filthy. I'm lazy. I don't feel like doing my hair. I'm trying to stretch it out another day. I'm just over it. Like, I'm trying to see what this headband wig is about. Ooh, it's off!
Right, let's go. Right, let's go. Right, let's go.
This is just a hot mess. Let me just do the intro. Hey, you guys. Hey, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, E. Thank you for tuning in. As you can tell by the title, we about to get into this headband wig, y'all. Listen, I'm going to be real with you. I'm real lazy right now, okay? I'm trying to grow out my big chop. I don't feel like doing my hair. I'm just in that mood where I just don't want to do none of it. I don't want to touch it. I just want it to grow, okay? So if you can tell by the title, we're about to get into this headband wig from Curls. Y'all. Cat been through a lot, but it's okay. Y'all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a brush? Oh, okay. Curls is doing the damn thing. Y'all. Anyways, y'all. Let's get into this hair. Ooh. It got, let's see how many clips it got. It got 4, 5 clips, and it came with an extra clip in the box just in case. Y'all, this is definitely for us beginners. Let me stop playing and throw this thing on and go. I already have on my wig cap. Y'all don't have to have on a wig cap, but I recommend put on a wig cap because you don't want these clips or anything to snag your hair. No, and you don't want no breakage. This is supposed to be a protective style. You don't want nothing like that to snag your hair, break off your hair. No, we know. So it's best to get a wig cap. I definitely recommend. Let me stop talking and let's put this bad boy on, y'all. Y'all about to get my first little reaction. Okay. Look at it. I'm already transforming. I put the clip in the back end. Oh my God. Clip on the side. This is so easy. If I can do this, anybody. Oh, look. Clip right here. And they have a clip. Ooh. Oh, we're going to get to all of this in a second. But hold on. Swing it, mommy. I'm about to just flip my hair over and attach these 2 straps or whatever. Oh my God, this is so convenient. Where have these things been all my life? Ooh, don't break your neck now, child. Easy. Y'all, easy. That's all I gotta say is easy. I got my water bottle, y'all. So let's see how it's about to be. Yeah, I'ma just wet it all through. I don't really like going in with a brush just off the back. I like to detangle with my hands. Don't matter if it ain't my hair, it's my hair. I like to detangle with my hands, really get the kinks. I don't like doing all that brushing and stuff. So far, so good. Hold on now. So just make sure. Oh yeah. Get it really nice, wet, moist. Let's hydrate this wig. Let's take care of it. I'm gonna name her Sheila. Giving me much a Sheila vibe. Okay. I think that's good enough, y'all. I'm sitting here about to be drenched. Oh my God. Come through, wet and wavy. Come through. After I'm done wetting it, getting it all moist and hydrated, I'm going to go in with my almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse by Design Essentials. Y'all, when I say you this stuff is magic, this is magic. I lie to you not. Trust me. Give it a few little pumps. I ain't trying to put much product on this hair. I ain't trying to be really heavy-handed on this hair either. Ooh. Y'all. This product is just melting through this hair. Come through. This hair feels very, very good. Very soft. I'm impressed. No lies. Do the other side. I'm trying to grow out my big chop. I'm not trying to stay in the awkward stage. Well, I'm in the awkward stage, but I'm just not trying to see it. You know, I'm just trying to hurry up and grow up my hair. Patience is key, but protective styling is also key, honey. Ooh. I can't wait till the brush go through it. I can't wait till that brush go. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Do y'all need a close-up? Do y'all see? Detangle. Tangles where? Curls come through. Curls come through. Oh, yes. Y'all. Detangle. This hair is really nice. What the hell? This hair is really, I'm not saying I thought it was just going to be bad, but y'all, I be skeptical sometimes with some, you know, with some purchases. I ain't going to lie to you. I be, what the hell? What did I just purchase? But y'all. Oh, talk to me. Outside is calling my name now. Don't nobody even gonna know that I have dusty braids under this wig. 2 weeks old braids under this wig. It's okay. Going in with my Eco Styler gel to do my edges. I know y'all don't fault me. I don't really do edge control like that. I do, but I don't. So yeah, y'all. Do my little edges. And I don't know how to do sweetie edges, y'all. Ooh. This is all the hair that I got from shedding. From just brushing this wig, this is all the hair I got from shedding. Are you serious? This is not bad. That's not bad. I'm real basic with my edges. Nothing too much. But what I do like, I see people who wear headband wigs, but they don't ever do their edges. Well, some of them do their edges, but they put the headband wig like right here. No, not me. I like to try to do a little razzle dazzle. You know what I'm saying? I try to do a little razzle dazzle. Like I told y'all, take my brush and just so whoop. Ooh, that could be a little better. There we go. Edges on swim. Hair on swim. Wet and wavy. I'm feeling this. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just got done my edges. I let it sit for a little bit, let it dry for a little bit. Now I'm about to put on a headband wig. I got so many headband wigs, it was so hard to choose. But I think I'm gonna put on this one. This is how it looks. So cute, so pretty. It don't match my shirt, whatever. Ooh, not me swinging my hair back now. I got a little length. So let's just go ahead and put it on. Ooh. This is so easy. Girl, anybody could do this. Y'all, this headband wig, just give it more flavor. Hold on, y'all. Let me play with it. Let me play with it. Let me play with it. Talk to me. Talk to me. What we thinking? Not me already looking like a different person from the beginning of this video. Y'all, go get your headband wig. You cannot beat this. Y'all look like a different person. I do not look like the same person that was on this camera saying, hey, y'all. Yeah, I'm loving this headband wig. For real. It's really full. It's nice, flowy. Go invest in one, sis. Stop playing. Please stop playing. Y'all, this is it for the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave in the comment section what type of videos y'all want from me. And yeah, your girl ready to go hit the streets. See y'all. Thanks for the support. Peace.
Yo, now, right, right.